Have you ever bought an expensive coffee maker, only to find it confusing to use and the results disappointing? You are not alone. Many of us dream of that perfect, cafe-quality espresso at home, but end up with weak, bitter coffee and a machine that gathers dust. This video is your guide to avoiding that mistake. We have tested several beginner-friendly espresso machines to find the ones that are actually easy to use and deliver fantastic results every single time. We will look at who each machine is really for, and who should avoid it, so you can find the perfect match for your kitchen counter and your morning routine. Let us get started. This first solution is essentially a complete starter kit in a single box. It is designed for the person who wants to unbox a machine and be able to make a latte 5 minutes later, without any guesswork. The main benefit here is the all-inclusive design. You get a powerful 20-bar pressure system, which is key for rich flavor, plus a built-in steam wand for frothing milk that is surprisingly simple to operate. Imagine a lazy Sunday morning. Instead of heading out and spending money, you just walk to your counter, tap your coffee, and pull a perfect shot. Then, with a simple turn of a knob, you are steaming milk for a creamy cappuccino. This machine is ideal for someone who feels intimidated by complex settings and wants everything they need right away. However, it is not for the coffee hobbyist who wants to tweak every single variable. Compared to more manual machines, it offers less control over things like water temperature. It solves the pain point of needing to buy a separate frother or grinder right away. One small limitation is its plastic body. While sturdy enough, it does not have the premium metal feel of more expensive models. It is a practical, get-it-done machine. If you want a straightforward path to great espresso, this is a fantastic choice. You can find the atatix espresso machine as the first one on my list. The direct Amazon link is right below in the description. And if your kitchen counter space is a top priority, this next one might be exactly what you need. The Chefman CraftBrew is built around one core idea: delivering real espresso flavor from the smallest possible footprint. Its main advantage is its incredibly compact, slim design, which can fit into tiny apartments or cluttered kitchens where a bigger machine just would not work. Think about trying to get your coffee fix in a small studio or even a dorm room. This machine slides in effortlessly. It still packs a powerful 15-bar pump, so you are not sacrificing the core of a good espresso shot. It is perfect for the minimalist, the student, or anyone who values space above all else. However, this is not the right machine for someone who frequently makes multiple coffees for guests. Its smaller water tank and drip tray will need more frequent refilling and emptying. It is a wonderful alternative to pod machines, giving you the freedom to use any ground coffee you like, which is a huge step up in taste and a lot less wasteful. The main pain point it solves is that feeling of having to give up on good coffee because of limited space. Its one honest limitation is the steam wand. It is functional for lattes, but it takes a bit more practice to get that perfect microfoam for latte art compared to larger machines. For a personal, space-saving espresso station, it is a brilliant little device. It is number 2 on the list, the Chefman CraftBrew. Its price can change pretty often, so I recommend you check today's price using the link in the description. Now, let us look at a machine that brings a more professional feel to your countertop. This is the XIXUBX 20-bar home barista, and it is for the beginner who is also a bit of a perfectionist. Its standout feature is the prominent pressure gauge right on the front. This gives you instant, visual feedback, helping you understand if your coffee is ground correctly and tamped evenly. It turns making espresso from a guessing game into a skill you can visibly improve. Imagine you pull a shot, and the needle stays in the low-pressure zone. You immediately know you need to grind your beans finer next time. This machine is ideal for the aspiring home barista who enjoys the process and wants to learn the craft. It is not, however, for someone who just wants to press a button and walk away. Compared to fully automatic machines, this one requires your attention. It directly solves the frustration of getting inconsistent results and not knowing why. The gauge tells you the story of your extraction. A slight drawback is that all these features make it a bit bulkier than our previous option. But for the control it offers, the trade-off is worth it. It is a fantastic learning tool that also makes delicious coffee from day one. If this sounds like your style, the XIXUBX 20-bar home barista is number 3 in the description below. When you just want a reliable machine from a brand that has been a household name for decades, you look at this one. The DeLonghi Stilosa is all about trust and consistency. Its main benefit is its robust, durable construction and the backing of a well-established brand, which means it is built to last. This is the kind of machine you buy for your first apartment, and it is still working years later. Picture the daily morning rush. You just need a machine that turns on, heats up quickly, and pulls a great shot without any fuss. The Stilosa delivers exactly that, every single day. It is perfect for someone who prioritizes reliability and proven performance over flashy features. It is not the best choice for a tech lover who wants gauges and programmable settings. It is a classic, manual espresso experience, similar to what you would find in an Italian home. It solves the pain point of worrying about buying a machine from an unknown brand that might break down in 6 months. Its main limitation is the included tamper. It is a basic plastic one, and upgrading to a heavier metal tamper can make a noticeable difference in your espresso quality. It is a small change that elevates an already great machine. This is the dependable workhorse of the group. If you want to grab it, look for number 4 in the description, the DeLonghi Stilosa. But what if your main goal is speed and simplicity, especially for making milk-based drinks like lattes and flat whites? This next option is built for exactly that. The XIXUBX Quick Steam Espresso Maker focuses on a powerful steam wand and a very user-friendly interface. The key benefit is how quickly and easily you can go from pulling a shot to frothing milk. The controls are incredibly intuitive, often just a single large dial. Imagine you have a friend over and you want to make them a cappuccino. You are not fumbling with complex menus, you just turn the dial to brew, then turn it to steam. It makes the whole process feel effortless and impressive. This is ideal for the person who primarily drinks lattes and wants a machine that excels at steaming milk without a steep learning curve. It is not for the espresso purist who only drinks black coffee and wants maximum control over the shot itself. Compared to other machines, it dedicates more of its power and design to the steam function. It solves the common problem of weak, slow steam wands on other entry-level machines that make frothing milk a chore. One honest limitation is that its brew temperature is consistent, but not adjustable, which might be a drawback for hobbyists experimenting with specialty beans. For everyday, delicious milk drinks, it is incredibly effective. It is number 5 on my list, the XIXUBX Quick Steam Espresso Maker. The price on this one drops from time to time, so check today's price in the link below. Finally, let us look at a machine that tries to balance compact size with powerful, high-pressure extraction. The Gevi 20 bar compact machine is for the person who wants the best of both worlds. Its core benefit is cramming a full 20 bars of pressure, the highest in this category, into a relatively small and modern-looking package. This means you can achieve that rich, intense flavor and thick crema, even if you do not have a ton of counter space. Think of it as a small machine with the engine of a larger one. It is a great fit for someone living in a modern apartment who cares about aesthetics but refuses to compromise on the quality of their espresso. This is not, however, a machine with a lot of manual overrides. It is designed for straightforward operation. It is a great alternative to bigger, bulkier 20-bar machines, giving you the same extraction power without dominating your kitchen. It solves the dilemma of having to choose between a small machine with weak pressure or a powerful machine that is just too big. Its one real limitation is the water reservoir size. Given its compact frame, you will be refilling it more often than a larger model, especially if you are making multiple drinks a day. It is a small price to pay for its blend of power and style. This is the compact powerhouse of the lineup. If this one fits your needs, you will find the Gevi 20 bar compact as number 6 in the description right below. So, we have covered a lot of ground. If you want an all-in-one starter kit, the atatix is for you. For tiny spaces, the Chefman is perfect. If you want to learn the craft with a pressure gauge, the Koozie is your teacher. For proven, long-term reliability, go with the DeLonghi Stilosa. If you are all about quick and easy lattes, the XIXUBX is your machine. And for maximum power in a compact size, the Gevi is the one. All the direct links are in the description below, so you can go straight to the one that best fits you. One last thing, prices on these machines can change week to week. For the most accurate, up-to-date cost, The links in the description will show you today's price for each one. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more straightforward guides to getting the best gear for your home. Now that you have chosen your machine, the next step is picking the right coffee beans. We covered that in another video, so stick around. Thanks for watching.